A very good afternoon to all my viewers and my lovely children. I hope you all are fine. Now today I am going to do on the ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers of the month of the year. So we have already done ordinal numbers on the week. I am doing on it on the month of the year. The first month of the year, there are 12 months in a year. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So let me first start with January. Okay, so I'm writing January, January. January, it is the first month of the year. So I'm writing here F-I-R-S-T. First. January is the first month of the year. This is the short form of it. I can write in words that will be too bigger for you. That is what January is, the first month of the year. Of the year. Y-E-A-R, year. Next comes, second is January, February. F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. And now children, I am writing everything in cursive letters. It will be easier for you, and if you don't get it, ask me. Okay, so February, it is the second, S-E-C-O-N-D, second, and then N-D of the year. Next comes number 3. Here it comes March, M-A-R-C-H. When I am writing it, you along with me, you also learn the spellings of the month. Don't make a mistake over there. March, it is the third, T-H-I-R-D, third, 3-R-D, third of the year, Fourth, April, A-P-R-I-L, April, it is the fourth month of the year, F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. Here you write 4 and T-H of the year. Fourth month of the year. April is the fourth month of the year. Next comes 5. May. May comes the fifth. Here you don't make it a mistake. In this case, another thing to remember, fourth, some of you write F-O-R-T-H. No, it is wrong. You have to write F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth month of the year. Next comes fifth. Everybody writes F-I-V-E-T-H. Wrong. Fifth, F-I-F-T-H, fifth. And here you write 5 T-H of the year. Whatever I am writing on the board, it will be in your mobile. So open it, go through it, you will learn it. No need to jot it down. Next, number 6 is January, February, March, April, May, June. J-U-N-E, June. It is the 6th month of the year. Sixth. 6, here you write T-H on top of the year. Then June is the 6th month of the year. Then comes 7th month, July. July is the 7th, A-C-V-E-N-T-H, 7th, 7th, 7th month of the year. So already we have learned up to 7th. January, first month of the year. February, second month. Here I am not writing the month, but you learn it by heart. M-O-N-T-H, month, second month of the year. March is the third month of the year. April is the fourth month of the year. May, 5th month of the year, June, 6th month of the year, July, 7th month of the year. So now I am again rubbing it. R-U-B-B-I-N-G, rubbing it. I am erasing it. Both the meaning are same. We have done up to July. Now again I am doing it on 8, A-U-G-U-S-T, August. This is the 8th, E-I-G-H-T-H. Don't make a mistake here. Write the spelling of 8 first, E-I-G-H-T-8, then put a H after it. Then it becomes 8th. 8th month of the year. As there is space is very small, so I am writing like this. Next comes number 9, September. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R bar, September. Break into syllables. S-E-P, sep, T-M, tem, B-E-R bar, September. Then you won't forget. 9th, N-I-N-T-H. See, here is a chance of mistaken. You may be mistaken. Don't write here N-I-N-E-9-T-H. That is Gach, wrong. You have to write N-I-N-T-H, ninth. Ninth, that is 9th of the year. You got it? Next comes 10th, October, month of festival. There are lots of festivals in this month. So this is 10th, T-E-N-T-H, 10th, 10th of the year. Don't forget it. Next comes 11, November, N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R, November. This is 11th, E-L-E-V-E-N-T-H, 11th month of the year. 11 month. Everyone should know that 8th month of the year. I am not writing the month because there is a very space problem. My board is very small, but I am verbally saying it and you keep it in your CPU. Where is our CPU? In the brain. In the brain. So November is the 11th month of the year. Keep that in mind. Next, the last one is December. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R, December. Here again you will be very much careful. T-W-E-L-F-T-H. We know the spelling of 12 as T-W-E-L-V-E, but when we are writing in the form of ordinal numbers, we will be writing T-W-E-L-F-T-H, 12th. So here comes the last month of the year, 12th month of the year. So we have completed all the 12 months ordinal numbers of the year. What is that? The 8th one is August, A-U-G-U-S-T, August. Don't forget it, my children. Hear it, listen to it once, twice, thrice. No need to write it down in your copy. This is audio-visual one. The more you will see and go through it, you will be able to remember it. You You don't have to jot it down in your copy. आपको कॉपी में नहीं लिखना पड़ेगा. जैसे आप देखेंगे ये वीडियो, जितने बार देखेंगे इतने बार आपको बच्चे को ये याद आ जाएंगे. सुनेंगे ना, सुनेंगे कि मन तो बहुत अच्छा होता है. ऐसे August 8th month of the year. Next comes September. I have break into syllables. ACPTEMBER. To remember the spelling. Ninth of the year. Ninth month of the year. Okay. Next October. 10th month of the year. Again. Next November. November is the 11th month of the year. Next comes December 12th. Remember the spelling. FTH is added in the spelling. It is no more TWELVE. Children make mistakes in these cases. TWELVTH they write, but that is wrong. Again and again I am repeating this one so that it sticks your head. See, that is TWELFTH 12. Next comes the same mistake is done in the case of ninth. NINE you write. No, that is wrong. You have to write NINTH, ninth. It is a very easy one and don't forget it. Learn it by heart. Go through the audio visual once, twice, thrice. You won't forget anymore. Is that very clear to you? Now again, I hope you all have gone through it. I am rubbing it. Once I am rubbing it, I will ask you some questions. Let me see if you can give the answers to it. It's a very easy one. I am again rubbing it. RUBBING, rubbing. Erasing is the same meaning. ERASING, erasing. Now if I give you an exercise, small exercise. What is the 6th month of the year? The 6th month of the year. Month of the year. Dash. Very easy. Count it. January, February, March, April, May, June. Then 5 plus 1, 6. So this is January, February, March, April, May, June. JUNE, June. Next comes the 2nd month of the year. What is that? January, February. FEB, Feb. RUARY, February. So you got the point. This is very easy. Another type of questions may come. Again I am erasing it. ERASING, erasing. Rubbing, RUBBING, rubbing. I am rubbing the board. Other questions come. The month between January and March. So between means, in between means दोनों के बीच में, जो महीने दोनों को बीच में आती है. What is that? January and March. So let us start counting from beginning. January, then comes February. So the answer will be February. February. So no need to worry about it. In the same case, exercises can be done like this. Exercises, again I am rubbing, 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 ERASING, erasing. So my children, you have done the days of the week. Can you say once with me, along with me? Monday. Monday is the first day of the week. Tuesday, Second day of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday is the third day of the week. Thursday is the fourth day of the week. Friday is the fifth day of the week. Saturday is the sixth day of the week. Sunday is the seventh day of the week. So these are the 7 days of the week. Now today we learned about the 12 months of the year. So we know all these things now. Next day, if what I am going to do is that we'll mix up both of them. We can mix up both of them and give some exercises to do. Match the following. It can be match the following. True, false. It can be fill in the blanks. Anything like that. Now children, that's all for today. Again, tomorrow I will be coming with a new chapter on it. What you have learned so far, every day revise it. Go through the Aparna's Pathshala's blog, revise it, and then you will be able to know it. So that's all of today. Tata, bye bye. Stay happy, stay safe.